All right, so let's go ahead and put it into drive and take it out for our first drive. So like I mentioned, this is the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque via the 7-speed S-tronic DCT transmission. So we're gonna see how this vehicle feels. Now you can of course get the V6 in the Audi SQ5 for that model. We're gonna actually turn off the automatic start-stop functionality. But so far, this is a really great car. I mean, the power delivery, even not going too fast, but it still feels seamless, a lot more responsive than what you would find in the competition space. And even the suspension, I love the fact that we have air suspension for this model right here, because in a lot of ways, having the air suspension is gonna help with overall dynamics, and overall intrusions of like bumps and stuff like that won't carry forward into the cabin space, which is a very nice thing to feel in this model. But taking it over here, giving it some gas, you know, very quick, very responsive 7-speed DCT transmission. I really like how this power plant feels in this model. Since I mentioned this is the base version, you know, having the 268 is actually the most that you'll get in the competition field right now. So it beats out the X3. It also beats out the Mercedes equivalent, which is fantastic to see. You know, Audi's typically the more sportier, more you know, enthusiastic version of the big three when it comes to the German playing field. Now, I like to mention also, this infotainment system is just amazing. I love the heads-up display that we have over here. It is very sharp, also very bright. You can change, of course, the brightness depending on if you need, you know, you have eyes that hurt when it comes to brighter textures. But guess what? With this vehicle, it's gonna have a very high quality heads-up display, which is something that I loved when I did the Q6. The brakes feel really good, actually. They bite very well and they stop you extremely fast, actually. Probably the most responsive I've ever felt in this competition space right here. Even the steering feel, as you see, it's very direct. Even though this is a steer-by-wire system, it's the most responsive I've also felt in this field. So hats off to Audi for making such a responsive steering feel, as well as the brake feel. Now, carrying forward over here and driving, I want to talk about the MVH. So far, the MVH has been phenomenal. Mind you, I am not on the highway, so expect it to be a little bit different when it comes to that, in that quality. But driving on the road, really good. Even though we have 20-inch wheels, you don't hear too much of the intrusion being incorporated into the cabin space. Now let's take it over here to this road and put it into dynamic mode, as well as the S mode for the transmission. Wow, really good turn-in radius. And the car automatically livens up. Wow, it feels astonishing around these curves. Look how it just hugs. That's the best thing about Audi's Quattro system. It just grips and hugs those curves like no other all-wheel drive system has ever done before. Nobody can compete against Audi's Quattro system. This is phenomenal. Let's go over these bumps. Really good. It's a very good suspension feeling, man. You know, every single time that I step into an Audi, I'm just amazed. I feel like the quality is there. It is there. It is such a great all-around vehicle. This is something that you need to get behind the wheel of, because, man, I just got out of the BMW X3 earlier, you know, this week, and I have to say, this just feels 100 times better. You know, the X3 doesn't even do that good when it comes to the overall turning radius, or whenever you're turning into a section, it just doesn't feel good. This feels a lot more, you know, poised and planted than whatever that X3 felt. It was horrible. This just feels good. hats off to Audi, and Audi and the team is doing fantastic lately. I really love their overall products. It's something else, you know. Let's go ahead and actually turn over here and give it a little bit of gas, and let's see how this car overall feels. So really good turning in. You could feel that quattro system going to that rear wheel and assisting to make it feel better. That is something that I love to see in products when it comes to a sporty all-wheel drive system, and Audi has done that. Once again, Audi is the top of its class, especially when it comes to this generation. They just know what they are creating. All right, so setting off. I want to use the paddle shifters really quick and see how they feel whenever you floor it a little bit. Look at that, extremely great turning in. That 7-speed S-tronic DCT transmission is so sharp and so precise in those shift points. Oh man, every single time, I know I said it before, but every single time I step into an Audi product, I am just amazed at what they have to deliver. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Audi Miami South for allowing me to film this vehicle. If you guys are interested in purchasing any Audi products whatsoever in the future, make sure to go ahead and contact Florin and use promo code Let's Go Florin for more additional savings. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.